What is the FTSE 100, what's it made up of, and how can you invest into it? In this video, I'll cover everything that you need to know. Let's get into it. The FTSE 100, which stands for the Financial Times Stock Exchange, is basically an index that tracks the performance of the 100 largest companies listed on the London Stock Exchange. Think of it a bit like a scoreboard for the UK stock market, where each company is ranked based on its market cap, which is simply the term which defines how much the company is valued at. When the FTSE 100 goes up, this usually means that the biggest companies in the UK are normally doing well, and when it drops, this could be a sign that they are struggling. Generally speaking, the FTSE 100 is often used by people to get a quick idea on how well the UK economy is performing, although of course there are other many factors to look into. When it comes to what companies actually make up the FTSE 100, as I mentioned, it's your largest companies in the UK, but some notable ones are AstraZeneca, which at the time of recording this video is actually number one on the list. It's then followed by Shell, and then you've got HSBC. Some other companies that make up this list are ones such as Barclays and Lloyds, Tesco's, and also Rolls-Royce. If we take a look at the index's past performance, especially if we look at the last 5 years, it's definitely had its ups and downs, but it's ended up with a total gain of 16.96% at the time of recording this video, and despite it reaching its all-time in January of this year, when comparing it to the past performance to the S&P 500, which has seen an 80% gain in the same time frame, it doesn't look quite as impressive. But remember, past performance is never an indication of the future. So how can you invest into the FTSE 100 if you do decide to? Well, the most popular way for the everyday investor is to buy it through the form of an index fund. And if you're using an app like Trading 212, you could invest into the Vanguard FTSE 100 ETF, which has the ticker symbol VUKG. By the way, if you're not a Trading 212 user and you are interested in signing up, there is a link in the description down below that will get you a free share worth up to £100 when you sign up. But always do remember the risks when it does come to investing. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.